Hello everyone, welcome to Doodle Garden. Today we are drawing something awesome that zooms off into space and starts with the letter R. Can you guess what it is?
5, 4, 3.
That's right, we are drawing a rocket. So grab your pencils, get ready, and let's doodle. First, we'll start by drawing the nose cone at the top. Next, we will move on to the fins with a mini rocket on each. These small rockets are called thrusters. They help the big rocket fly and steer better. Now, let's draw the part where the main engine and the fuel tank go. Oh, look! Here are the fiery flames coming out. Don't forget to add the window and the tip on top. Who do you think is controlling this powerful rocket? Oh, wow! Look! It's an alien! Do you ever wonder if there are aliens out there? Maybe right now, our adorable alien pilot is zooming through the space on a thrilling mission to explore a brand new galaxy.
Hello.
Here we go! Our rocket is now all done and ready for some color magic. Let's have fun! Light gray, red, blue, Stay tuned, my friends. The final reveal is just around the corner. Green,
Hello, friend. I hope you are fine.
sky blue. Yellow. Orange. Let's add some details. Voila! Our rocket looks amazing. It's ready now to rock its way into the space. I hope you had a blast drawing and coloring with me today. Don't forget to check out our other alphabet videos too. And be sure to share, like, and subscribe. See you later. Thanks for watching.